Oh Lord.
You spray on the wet side.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord. The computer. So we just dropped the computer back of the couch. So sometimes life doesn't work the way you want it to work. We left, where did we leave? Winter Haven, on our way down to Delray Beach. You know, camp out for the next 3 months and be with family and friends and stuff. But we decided we were going to stop into Blue Beacon and get our RV washed. So once we get there, I can wax it and make all that other stuff. But Mary decides to call the place in Delray Beach, and they said, well, you have to be here by 5. Well, we were in line an hour or so.
At least an hour.
At least an hour, if not more. And there was just no way we were gonna make it. So you make your plans in Jello, and we are in, where's St. Lucie?
Fort Pierce.
Fort Pierce for one night. That's the beauty of RVing. It's like you kind of just got to go with the flow and see what happens, and it is what it is.
We're here. We had pizza. We're good.
We had pizza. I didn't want to cook. It was delicious.
Be
It had
there
no
tomorrow.
basil in it. It had no basil.
No, I don't know. I don't
We
know.
ordered a
That's what I
margarita pizza, and it had tomatoes
And lots of cheese. Yeah.
And that was it.
Yeah.
And nothing else.
That's
So
okay.
tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow we'll drive down to Delray. We'll set up for
Again?
3 months again. Time to move on and try to make it to South Florida. We've been attempting this the last 2 days. Hopefully we'll be there today and get to be with family and friends during the holiday weekend for Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's, and then sometime in March we'll hit the road again.
Keep right to I-95 South.
Hi, welcome to Palm Beach County, to Florida. Going to Delray. See some of our bestest friends tonight, the McQuistons.
Trying to get my breath. Here's my yearly event to wax the RV. Maybe twice a year. It's turned out to be maybe once a year, but wash, wax all. I really like it. It's a lot of hard work, but it looks good when you're done. Look at that shine. I did purchase the pole. It's a little more expensive.
But what you do is you spray the material on the wet side, you clean, and you turn it around on the dry side, and you dry it off. You do like 2 to 3 foot sections, and it works great. It's 1 ounce for 16 ounces of water, and it works great. Nice reflection.
You know, there's never a dull moment. So we got in here yesterday, cleaned up the RV, cleaned the windshield real good. I was going to put my mag shade up. And as I started looking, I noticed 4 or 5, half a dozen small chips. So I figured, you know what? Let me call the insurance company called Progressive. They told me safe lights on their way out. I called them today and they happened to say, oh, we have an appointment this afternoon within an hour of me calling. So that's a good thing. I'll show you markings here. I don't know if you can see that right there.
One of the good things about Florida, if you have comprehensive insurance and you had a crack or anything on your windshield, it's taken care of, no deductible, no nothing. I've had it done on my cars, two windshields replaced, but I found out that even the RV windshield is covered. No deductible, no nothing. Thank you, Progressive. Thank you, Florida Insurance.
Right.
That laminate is separate.
It's not the laminate. The glass is actually fractured.
Okay.
It's fractured in a cup.
Okay.
So the glass is still here, not missing.
Right.
But there's an opening, and
so that kind of forces the resin in there. And this is like drying it or something?
Right. It's ultimately cured.
Modern technology. It's pretty cool. Better this than $3,000 job, right?